Are you ready to feel something extraordinary today? Are you ready to move your body in a way it has never moved before? Not through pain, not through force, but through gentle discovery, deliberate awareness, and quiet power. Welcome to PrimeFit Floww, your sacred space for movement, strength, and reawakening. Especially if you are above 50 and still know deep down that your best days are far from over. Before we begin, how are you really feeling today? Not just your muscles, not just your joints, but your breath, your energy, your spirit. Maybe you've been feeling stiff lately. Maybe you've been told that aging means slowing down, backing off, making yourself smaller. But what if I told you we're about to challenge that belief together? Because today, we're exploring something truly unique, something no one is talking about in the world of fitness. Today, we're going to activate what I call the silent strength circuit. A movement flow designed specifically for those over 50 that taps into the hidden strength zones of the body that we almost never train consciously. Not just biceps, not just glutes, but micromuscles that control balance, posture, confidence, and even how deeply you breathe. Yes, you heard that right. There are strength systems in your body, in your feet, your diaphragm, your spine, your pelvic floor, and even the space behind your shoulder blades that are quietly holding up your entire structure every single day. And when these are activated with awareness, with control, with intention, something magical happens. You don't just get stronger. You start feeling lighter, looser, more awake. And that's exactly what today's session is all about. So, stay with me. Stick through every breath, every moment. No rushing, no comparing. Just you, your body, and the power of quiet strength reawakening from within. Let's begin. Stand tall, or sit comfortably if you prefer, and close your eyes for just a moment. Let your shoulders melt. Let your jaw unclench. Let your breath arrive gently into your belly. Feel your feet grounded, like soft roots in the earth beneath you. This isn't just warm-up. This is the real work. Bringing your awareness into the silent spaces. Begin by slowly turning your head from side to side, but not with tension. Let it be like water, effortless. Notice how your neck responds. Notice which side feels tighter. And as you breathe, imagine those tight places softening like candle wax under a gentle flame. Now, roll your shoulders backward in slow, deliberate circles. Think of them like forgotten gears, just needing a little oil to turn smoothly again. You may hear cracks, pops. That's okay. You're waking things up. You're not broken, you're rebuilding. After a few rounds, take a deep breath, in through the nose and exhale out the mouth like a sigh. Beautiful. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Yes, your feet. Place them flat on the ground, and begin lifting one heel at a time, slowly, as if peeling it off warm sand. Feel the arch wake up. Feel the calf engage. Now both heels together. Up, hold down again. Up, hold down. This might look like nothing to someone watching, but what's happening inside is powerful. Your body is saying, I'm here, I'm listening, I'm willing. Now slowly shift your weight side to side, gently pressing into the outer edges of your feet. Feel your hips respond. Feel the small stabilizers in your ankles kick in. These are your fall preventers, your lifesavers. You're not just moving. You're strengthening the lines of communication between your brain and your body. Now let's begin to walk in place, slowly, almost like a slow dance. Knees come up slightly, arms swing gently, breath stays smooth. Feel the rhythm of your body, its own quiet music. There's no rush. Let your breath guide you. Now begin to increase the height of each knee lift, not high, just enough to feel your core gently brace. Imagine someone placing a hand on your belly, and you're drawing it inward, strong and centered. Pause now. Place both hands just above your hips, on your waist. Let's gently tilt the pelvis forward and backward. Tiny movements. You may barely see it, but your core is engaging deeply. Your spine is aligning. These are the movements that train the muscles behind the scenes, the ones that hold you tall when no one's watching. Breathe into that subtle work. Now place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Take a deep breath into the lower hand, not the top. That's shallow stress breathing. We're breathing like warriors now, down low, where strength lives. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale. Feel the belly rise. Exhale, feel it draw back in. This is diaphragmatic strength, the kind of breathing that supports your nervous system, your digestion, your mood. Now let's begin a standing flow. Step the right foot forward slightly, left foot back, hands gently at your sides. Slowly bend both knees and then rise. again, down, and rise. This is not a squat, this is a strength prayer. Each movement is a moment of connection. You're not pushing, you're asking. Asking your body what it needs. Switch sides. Left foot forward now, and again, down and up, controlled, grounded, connected. Now return to center. Let's challenge your balance. Shift your weight onto your right foot, and slowly lift your left foot a few inches off the ground. Arms out to the sides like wings. Breathe, count to 5. And return. Now the other side. Lift, balance, breathe and lower. These micro movements are everything. You are rewiring your strength circuitry. You are building the kind of resilience that shows up when you least expect it, like reaching into a cabinet or stepping off a curb. Let's take it to the mat or chair now. Sit upright, spine tall. Gently twist to the right, left hand on your right knee. Hold, breathe, come back to center. Now to the left. Feel the spine lengthen as you rotate. These are your spinal rotators. They're critical for turning, reaching, living. Let's stretch the hamstrings gently now. Extend one leg forward, flex the foot, and slowly lean into it. Feel the stretch, not just in the muscle, but in the memory. This isn't just a leg. This is a leg that's walked you through storms, through years, through joy. Give it thanks, switch sides. Breathe into that stretch. With kindness. Now sit tall. Let's roll the wrists in soft circles. Then reverse. These hands have held, helped, created, comforted. Strength lives here too. We're now nearing the closing of our silent strength circuit, but before we end, we activate the heart. Stand tall. Close your eyes. Place both hands on your chest. Feel the rhythm of your heart, steady, brave, enduring. Now open your arms wide to the sides, then bring them in slowly as if hugging the air around you. Repeat that 3 times. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you close. You are embracing the air, the moment, yourself. Let's finish this journey the way it began, with breath. Inhale deeply. Hold, exhale softly. Again, inhale. Hold, exhale. Your breath is your strength. Your awareness is your superpower. You have just completed one of the most unique and intelligent full-body flows designed for your season of life, for the wisdom in your years, for the beauty in your endurance, for the fire that still burns within. This wasn't just a workout. It was a return, a remembering, a quiet rebellion against everything that told you slow down, don't try, be careful. You didn't just try. You showed up, you listened, you moved, you rewired. And you're not done. This is just the beginning of your PrimeFit journey, and we're just getting started. So before we part, I ask you, can you feel it? That shift. That quiet confidence humming beneath your skin. That's you. That's yours. And it's waiting for you every single day. So don't let it go. Come back tomorrow. Come back next week. Because we'll be here. Every step. Every breath. Every moment of rediscovery. If you felt something today, even something small, I invite you to subscribe to PrimeFit Floww right now. Because this channel isn't about perfection. It's about power. Quiet, humble, joyful power, exactly where you are. And if you're still with me, take one last breath, the deepest of the day. Inhale your strength. Exhale your doubt. And remember, you are not aging, you are awakening. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep moving together, because your next decade doesn't belong to fear. It belongs to flow.